Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Sharon Imran, your English language grammar teacher. I hope all of you are doing good and all of you are staying at home and taking care of yourselves. Alright, so today we're going to discuss about the simple present tense. So let's learn what does this mean. We use the simple present tense to talk about a habit, what happens every day, a general truth. Okay, so now let me give you an example for these things. A habit, as in something that you always do. Okay, like you wake up every day from sleep. So this is a habit. Then what happens every day? Ali, for an example, if I say that Ali walks to school. Okay, so every day what happens? Ali, a boy who always walks to school. So this is something that is happening every day. A general truth. Now, what does a general truth mean? Something that is that can never be changed. Like for an example, the sun rises in the east. The sun will always rise in the east, right? So this is something that can never be changed. Okay, we use the S form of the simple present tense for he, she, and it, or a singular noun. We usually add S, ES, and IES to the verb. Okay, so what does this mean? So what happens to make a for using the simple present tense? What do we do? How do we use it? We add SIES or ES with the verb of the in the sentence. Okay, for an example, as in of the verb to the verb of the sentence. For an example, suppose if I say Ravi cycles to school. Okay, so first of all, find out, suppose the sentence is Ravi cycle to school. So which one is the verb and the action in this sentence? Cycle, right? So what will you do? You will add S with this. So Ravi cycles to school. You are adding S with the word cycle. Okay, so this is how you're making it a simple present tense. Then suppose, let me give you another example. Alia goes to Alia goes to the park every morning. Okay, so here which one is the verb? Goes. So what am I doing? I am adding es with go and making it a simple present tense. All right. Okay, now we use the base form of the verb without adding s for I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Alright, so whenever we are talking about plural something, we do not change it. It remains that way, as in we will not add s, es, or ves, anything of that sort with the verb of the sentence. Okay, for plural words, we are not going to add anything. For an example, if I say, they cycle to school, as the word they means a lot of the people, so we are not going to make it cycles. It will remain that way. The verb will remain that way and we are not going to change it. We're not going to add s, es, or ies with it. All right, it is going to stay the way it is. Whenever you're adding a plural word, whenever you're talking something, whenever the sentence is of a plural thing, the verb remains its way. It does not change. All right. So now let's learn about how to use it in a negative sentence. Okay, so we use the form do not plus verb with the pronouns I, you, we, they, and plural names and nouns. Alright, so whenever we are talking about plural something, we use do not. Like for an example, we do not want to go with you. You do not listen. You do not listen in class, or you do not listen to me. So whenever we are talking about plural something or I and you, we will use do not. Okay, and for singular, for referring singular, what we will use? We will use does not. Like for an example, if I say she does not listen to me, she does not pay attention in the class. All right, so whenever I'm talking about a singular something, we are going to use does not, and for plurals we are going to use do not. All right, I hope I'm clear, students. So Allah Hafiz for now.